What up, Joe? It's me, your boy. In the back. What? Go help the girl steal the ball from us. Damn. Go get the girl. Go get the girl. What y'all doing? Wait, I know it's stupid. I'm a big boy. Okay, I'll let you go. I want you on my team. The boys don't want me on the team. I do. I'm on the blue team. I help the girls out, so one of y'all have to. What you think now, Cole? Oh, yeah. How about he helps the girls? No, bro. I'm not playing with him. If he helps the girls, I ain't playing then. Okay, you play with the girls then. No, I ain't playing. Oh my God, it's about him. Oh my God, I'm gonna help the girls. Trying to kick me out. Okay, you're not trying to kick you out. Do you want the girls? Do you want to play on the girls? Yes. I just don't want him to play on the boys. I want to go to. Johnny, make it! Why you doing? That's my dog. Okay, that's my dog. We can't go upstairs. He's helping y'all out. He's helping y'all out. That's my dog. Why did you be on the wrong team, Dada? Ooh, yeah. Ooh. What the peace out.